Hello guys, today I will be teaching you how to create a 3D animation of yourself.
Okay, first step is to turn our picture to a 3D looking cartoon, and with the help of ChatGPT we can do that. So I'm going to head over to the website chatgpt.com. Alright, so over here we can ask anything, but we're going to have a little control over it. So these tools, I'm going to click on tools and change it to create an image because we're only working with image. And I'm going to come here to plus, click on the plus, then go to add photos, then choose my photo library. Then from here I'm going to pick a picture, then add it. Then in this description, this way I'm going to describe how I want this picture to be converted to a cartoon. So I'm going to say turn this, or turn the image of me to a 3D looking cartoon sitting in a studio, in a podcast studio with a microphone. Then click on this arrow. Alright, so this will take a little while to generate the cartoon image, so we have to wait for a few seconds and I'm going to come back. Alright, so our picture is generated into a 3D. So the next thing to do is click on the picture and hit on this download button. So now the picture is downloaded into our device, and now the next step is to convert this picture to a 3D animated character. And now we're going to use a different website, and the name of the website is hydra.com. hydra.com. So now, it might look a little confusing, but don't worry. So in the right side here we have the character, and the left side is the audio script. So if you click on the character, this way you're going to select the image that you choose to use, and the audio script is where you're going to add the audio that you want to use. So I'm click on the character here, go to upload image, then go to choose file. Then inside that file I'm going to pick the one that I generated using the ChatGPT. And so now the next thing is the audio. So I'm going to click on this audio script. Since I already had you can actually record from this, from here, but I already have an audio that I recorded from 11 Lab. I'm going to put the link below in my description, don't worry about that. So I'm going to upload this audio instead. Then add to video. Okay, so now is the final step, which is to give you a little instruction on what or how I want to animate the video. So here where I see the prompt, your character with emotion and gesture, this way I'm going to write, this is what I'm going to write: slight head movements with hand gesture. So now I can click this arrow up to generate the video. It will take a little while, so we have to just wait and I'll come back to you. Okay, so our video is generated, and let's play it out.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support helps us grow and reach more people who could benefit from this message.